In this video, you'll learn about what's in this course. Did you know that AR is everywhere? You've probably experienced it and maybe didn't even realize it. It's in marketing, learning, gaming, and pretty much all around you. And that's why we're here, to learn about AR and how you can build a career using it. You'll start off in the first module where you'll learn the AR basics, what it is, where it fits on the XR spectrum, and how it's used in different industries. In the second module, you'll take a look at how AR is being used on different platforms, like social media, browsers, and mobile apps. But that's not all. AR is about development, and you'll learn about hardware and design considerations that you'll need to factor in when you're in creative mode. Computer vision is the topic in the third module. You'll get a view of what it is and how it works with AR. The final module of this course focuses on the software development lifecycle, careers in AR development, because that's why you're here, and then design thinking, a design approach that places the user at the center and employs techniques such as problem solving, empathy, observation, and iterations. To close it out, you'll have a real-world application and create a game design document where you'll produce an experience detail flow, complete with a storyboard, visual design, and UI elements. Lots to do with AR. Time is ticking away. Let's go.